In this video, we are gonna walk through how to replace the pumps. Here are tools we need. First, we need to remove the power cord from the machine. For XL or XXL models, first remove the back panel and turn the machine's back switch off, and then unplug the power cord. For Pro and Plus models, turn the machine's back switch off, unplug the power cord. For version 1.43 or higher version machines, which has the slide type tablet stand, unplug the USB cable, pull the tablet stand out gently. And for version 1.3 to version 1.42 machines, which have the screw type tablet stand, unscrew the 3 screws holding the tablet stand, and then remove the stand. You need to remove the drip tray and drip tray cover, and lift the lever on the back of the machine and drag the water tank out and remove it. And remove the porter filter and group head handle as well. And now you need to remove the main cover. Use a T10 Torx screwdriver to remove the 8 screws on the main cover. Once all screws are out, gently stretch the sides of the cover and then lift it up off the machine. Unplug the power cables from the pumps. There is a button above each cable connection. Press it with a T10 Torx screwdriver while pulling the connectors out. You can also gently press on the sleeve to help release it. Wear comfort grip gloves when you are removing the connectors near the chassis to protect your hand from being scratched by the sharp edges. Remove the hose clamps securing the F-type tube on the pumps. Hold the clamp ear with your thumb, then twist it using pliers to loosen it. Stretch the clamp to remove it from the tube. Pull out the F-type tube from the pumps. Some water may drip from the tube. Wipe it with a cloth. Hang the cables on the chassis near the steam tube to clear your access to the pumps. Remove the clips securing the yellow and green tubes with angled tweezers. Remove the 4 5.5mm hex nuts with a hex nut driver. The nuts may drop as they come off. Use angled tweezers to pick them up easily. Detach the pump assembly from the chassis. It may stick to the chassis. Pull it out one side at a time. Pull the tubes from the connectors at the bottom of the pumps. Water may drip. Wipe it with a cloth. Wearing comfort grip gloves, unscrew the L-shaped connectors from the pumps. The pump or the cylinder where the connector is attached may turn when you unscrew the connector. If this happens, use an adjustable spanner to hold the angled flat section of the cylinder while you unscrew the connector. Lift the rubber pads that secure the pump tops to free the pump's upper section. Push the rubber pads holding the bottom of the pumps to release them. Once the pump bottom is halfway out, hold the pad with one hand and twist the pump while pulling it out with the other hand, and remove it fully from the frame. Remove the 2 springs underneath. Bring the new pump and insert the pump's bottom cylinder through the hole in the bottom rubber pad. Stretch the hole's edge while pushing the cylinder in with a circular motion. Once the cylinder bottom passes through the hole, compress a spring and place it between the frame and the rubber pad below. Make sure the cylinder bottom sits centered inside the spring. Push the pump in with a twisting motion. Insert the top connector through the hole in the top rubber pad, then press the pad around the hole to secure it. Push the bottom rubber pad upward until it reaches the base of the cylinder. Turn the first pump to the side to create space for installing the second pump. Install the second pump using the same steps as the first. Rotate the first pump back into its correct position. Reinstall the L-shaped connectors on the bottom of the pumps. Screw them in by hand. The cylinder may rotate while tightening. If it happens, hold the cylinder with an adjustable spanner while tightening the connector. Once the connectors are fully secured, use the adjustable spanner to set the angle of the connector for connecting the tube properly. Remove any old O-rings left inside the connectors using a T10 torque screwdriver. Gently push the O-ring with the driver tip and pry it out. Install new O-rings onto the tube end. Insert the tubes into the connectors. Install the yellow tube into its connector. Push it in with a gentle circular motion. Ensure the tubes align properly. If bent or stretched, leaks may occur. Once fully inserted, the brass ring will no longer be visible through the clip slot. Insert the clip to lock it in place. Install the green tube into its connector, then secure it with a clip. Reinstall the pump frame onto the chassis. Align the 4 bolts on the chassis with the 4 holes in the pump frame. Secure them with the 4 nuts using the 5.5mm hex nuts driver. Reconnect the power cables to the pumps. The cable with the light blue tie goes to the cold pump on the right side. Insert the thermostat into the slot on the right side of the pump. If you roll back the connector sleeve slightly, you will see the clip that locks in place. Ensure the clip snaps properly onto the pump connector and push it fully. The cable with the red tie goes to the hot water pump on the left side. Connect it the same way. Reconnect the F-type tube to the pumps and secure it with the clamps. Stretch the clamp to grip the tube end. Then rotate it so the ears are facing forward. Squeeze the ears lightly with your fingers, and finally tighten the clamp using pliers. There you have it. If you face any difficulties during the replacement, please reach out to us via our tech support channel.